Guys, so it is Monday morning. It is 9:20 right now. My first class starts at 9:40 and I'm just sitting in the parking lot waiting to walk up the hill, and I just want to do a week in my life this week, so I'm bringing you guys along with me all week long and showing you everything that I'm going to be doing. So yeah, let's get this week started. So basically it is Monday and it is my lazy day, so I just have this Guy Harvey tank on and then some black leggings. I have my sweatshirt in the back that I'm going to put on too, and then no makeup and a bun. So yeah, it's a great Monday. So I just fixed my bun and made it a little bit tighter, and then I have my Calvin Klein performance sweatshirt on. It is so soft and so warm. So now I'm going to start walking to my class.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? The scene that keeps playing on repeat ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? All your emotions with your heart on your sleeve, it won't fade until you paint it black. I let it burn, you call the fire brigade, but I feel that it will come back.
So I'm home now. My classes are over. I actually didn't have my 2:15 because my tutor wasn't there today, and I just stopped at the house because I came to get some ibuprofen because my head was hurting, and I'm about to make some iced coffee and head to my granny's probably for the evening because Seth has a night class tonight. So yeah. You ready to go this morning? So Baylee has her milk and her little sweatsuit on, and then one of these bursting berry apple sauces to take with her. Yeah. Yeah. That's good, ain't it? Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Wait, no. Good morning, guys. So it is a new day. It's actually Wednesday. I skipped a day because I forgot my camera at my granny's, and so I just didn't really vlog yesterday besides like our breakfast. So yeah, you guys already saw that. But I'm getting ready to walk out the door. It's about 8:15 and Baylee's over here waiting on me, and I have, let's see, 3 classes today, and so yeah, let's get started. So I'm running a few minutes late, but yeah, I think it'll be okay. It's just like 5 minutes, and usually I'm early, like way early anyways. So I grabbed some water with iced tea, peach in it, and then also a Nutri-Grain bar. Sometimes my granny has breakfast for like Baylee, and then I get like a biscuit or something, and sometimes she doesn't. So I guess we'll see when we get there, but I got the Nutri-Grain bar just in case.
Where's the rabbit? Come on, rabbit. Hop
Show me your teeth. Show me your teeth. Teeth.
It's silent now. We don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah.
So today is Friday, and I'm honestly just gonna be cleaning today and trying to get some stuff done. I honestly do not know how much footage I got for this week in my life. I'm so bad. I think I've skipped like 2 days, but I don't really know. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this week in my life. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Did you ask me first?
Heading back home. Yes. Yes. And I made my own iced coffee. Oh. So the first thing that I got are just these Adidas leggings, and they're really like silky and smooth. And then I also got this Calvin Klein Performance sweatshirt just to wear to class. And then I just got this blush colored really cute t-shirt just to wear to class as well. And then the last thing that I got is just this 2019 planner.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? The scene that keeps playing on repeat ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from?